Hi guys, I'm Nico. I will be leading the photography workshop of this year's summer programme at Ravensbourne. I'm a photographer based in London. I'm also a final year student at Ravensbourne University. This workshop is suitable for anyone interested in photography, but we will be focusing on getting you interview ready for university. So it's about focusing on getting you to develop a portfolio. The workshop will be broken up into 5 themed weeks. Week 1, you will conduct your research. During week 2, you will begin your experimentation. Week 3 will be about shooting your projects. Week 4 will be post-processing. And week 5, your final week, we will talk about printing and presenting for portfolio. The project of this workshop is called Transition, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that now. It has certainly been an interesting year so far, 2020. We've been in lockdown here in Britain because of a virus. And now we're starting to see the gradual easing of the lockdown as we transition back to normality, whatever that may be. I want you to document this period of transition. It's completely up to you what you decide to focus on. It could be social distancing. You could focus on how we begin to interact with each other out in the street, out in the local supermarket maybe, or anywhere outdoors. You could, like other photographers, you could focus on isolation, because for many of us we're still going to be mostly indoors for a longer period of time. But it's completely up to you. All the photos here in the video are my photos which I took during lockdown here in Britain. Now you can tackle this project via portraiture if you want, or you can tackle it via street photography, or still life, or self-portraiture, or it can be as abstract as you want it. It's completely up to you. You can choose any genre, or you can mix genres together if you're up for the challenge. Just remember to stick to the theme of transition in regards to the lockdown and returning to normality here in Britain. In regards to equipment, you can use any camera. I don't care if it's the camera on your smartphone or if you have a bigger camera like a DSLR. It really doesn't matter. I'm not interested in the tool you use. I'm more interested in the images. So it's completely up to you in regards to equipment. During the first week, the research period, I will give you some examples of works by other photographers who have documented this time of isolation and social distancing, and that will get you started. It should inform your research, will inform your direction, and eventually you will get to the final stage where you're able to present a portfolio in an interview setting and to be able to talk confidently about it. So I look forward to meeting you all, and don't forget to check out some of the exciting courses we've got on offer as part of the summer programme at Ravensbourne University, London. Thanks guys.